morning. Where are we off to today?
Invercargill.
Invercargill. No, what are we doing first?
Dunedin.
No, what are we doing first?
Oh, farm tour.
Yes. We're going on a farm tour. I felt like saying we're going on a bear hunt then, but no. Yeah, we're just waiting for our host. She's going to come down and get us. Checkout is in like an hour, so we said we'll do the farm tour now. And yeah, I don't know what we're seeing or doing or what, but... And then we're going to Dunedin, and then we're going to Invercargill. But yeah, our place was really nice last night and the night before. We were both shattered last night, so didn't actually make any dinner. We just chilled. But it was really cosy. It was nice, yeah. Can't really fault it. So it's the Little Red Schoolhouse in Five Forks. It's about just under half an hour. It's probably about 20-25 minutes to Oamaru. So yeah. So come with us today and see what we get up to. Just gone to get Mecca the cow. Come on, buddy. I don't know if you can see him out there. He's one of the pets. Is that what she said? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, well, he's happy with his crop. There we go. You cutie. Happy boy. Look at those trees. Oh, they're so nice.
Although we'll keep spraying this. It's flowering currant because I want to try and put natives through there because it kind of gets all just to try and kill all that weed.
Yeah.
Just put some natives, just some toy and flats.
They're so pretty.
Just to filter through.
Very big Christmas trees. Oh, you got some nice sized ones over there.
Yes, these were our first ones that we planted, and then we started just So he's a 65. He's a bachelor, and he was like, "Can you feed him?"
Hi, Layla.
Yeah. So
for a minute, I don't know why the donkey. I looked at the face and I was like, hey, what was his? Sorry, his name?
Dandy. Dandyfoot
and Lemon. Did you say?
And lemon.
I like that.
Hello.
Lemon, you're so cute.
Lemon was last year's one pet lamb with Henry. Has Henry visited?
No,
the other pet lamb.
No, we haven't seen, just the chickens, who I have named. I'm sorry.
Oh.
I thought they're roost. No,
they're girls.
Oh, they go. Oh, I gave them boys' names.
That's all right.
I called them Fred and George Weasley from Harry Potter. Oh dear, got a lot to learn.
No, roosters no. We did get offered.
They get.
We just got the little new ones that we've still got locked up at the moment, and they potentially could be a bit of a rooster.
Ah. Oh,
so
these
two
cute.
grew up together with Henry, but Henry is...
We're at some beach. I don't know what beach it is. We just stopped. We saw the water and pulled over. Ah, oh, sunny. So warm in the sun. Wow, look at those waves. Look at them over there. You can go surfing.
Not very small for surfing.
Well, baby surfing. I mean, that's probably wavy enough from me. But it's probably fucking cold. No, look at those waves back there. They look quite big. Wait. Look. There you go. Maybe don't get wet. Very nice. Probably been in the car for like 40 minutes or so. I don't know how long we've been driving. What did you find?
A little stone.
A little stone. We're about an hour away from Dunedin. We'll get some lunch when we get there. Yeah, a bit peckish. Fancy some chips or something.
Some type of food.
Some type of food. Yeah, it's pretty nice, this beach. It's like lots of stones there, and then it's all like sandy, and and sandy. Where does it say on the map?
I don't know.
Doesn't really say. More
No.
Kaitiki Point Lighthouse over there. Oh, you can see it in the distance, like back there. Nice. Oh, oh wow! Look at those waves. See, that's wave. That's big. Yeah, scary. Oh my god! Look at the size of that. Morning, everyone. Morning. We've come to the next day. I'm so tired. We're currently in Bluff. We're at the bottom of the South Island. We've come to some famous sign. What's it called? Stirling Point?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's just over there. We're just going to go take a little picture.
Have a little wander.
Have a little wander. It's a bit grey and drizzly today. We didn't do much yesterday other than drive down from Five Forks to Dunedin, then Dunedin down to Invercargill. It was pretty much a driving day and a bit of food. I think you saw the food. And we're staying in an Airbnb, but we're like sharing it with the homeowners. So like we're just in a little room, aren't we?
Yeah.
So it was really cosy. I think we got a pretty good night's sleep for a changer. I slept through.
I think it was a good sleep as well.
Yeah, it was cosy. So let's go have a little look and show you around this little point. Rocky. Any seals down there today? I don't know if they get seals around here. They might do. So if you come to Bluff, that's where you get the ferry over to Stewart Island. We're not doing Stewart Island. We've got other plans, but it's still nice. Oh, I'm a bit cold. I've come out with wet hair again.
I feel quite warm.
Yeah, it's just my hair's wet. New York, Dog Island, Wellington, Sydney, London. Okay, London, that's near us. 18,958.
Yeah.
I'm wearing glasses and I can't read. Yeah, it's quite far, isn't it? Is that the furthest? Well, furthest that I can see. Yeah.
Probably.
Maybe.
Probably.
Fascinating. Oh my god, I can't even talk today. Oh, we just had a little photo shoot. Are they funny? She was like, get more romantic pose. That was really funny.
They're good pictures.
They're nice. Good, yeah. Oh, well, I'll insert some pictures. That's what I'll do. Oh, good morning start, wasn't it? Oh, what's this? Oh, it's like big chain. Oh, no, maybe an anchor.
Or a chain.
Let's have a little look. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it is. It's really funny. Tapuka a Maui. Tapuka? Maui was a legendary Polynesian voyager with godlike powers. I guess this is... Yeah, look, this is a toilet, right? I went in one of these yesterday. You have to like press all the button and then the music comes on to like help you go to the toilet, I guess. And there's no toilet paper. So next time I need to always take the toilet paper in with me. Because, you know.
Treading a bit of mud.
Oh. Well, I think we trod in not sheep's, or yeah, maybe it was sheep. I had a bit of poo on my shoes yesterday from the farm.
Yeah.
This is kind of pretty. Very nice. All the like rocks. Hope it's not too slippery. We're not really wearing the best of shoes today. Just trainers. My wellies are in the car, but James's wellies were ruined from work, so we need to buy him new ones. Oh. So what's today? Today's Friday, so we're going to go into Invercargill today. Those of you that know James, he's big on motorcycles. He's had 3 bikes in the past. Yeah. Oh, careful. Him and his dad are big on their bikes. So we're going to go to the motorbike museum because there was a film. James, what's the film called for the motorbike place?
Fastest Indian.
The Fastest Indian. That's where the guy's from, and his bike's in there as well. Is that right?
I don't know if it's in the museum or in like one of the other places. I don't know.
We'll find out. So we're gonna go. But he's from here. So oh, it's really muddy. I don't want to slip. Okay, there we go. So yeah, we're gonna go there. I think it's $40 each. So it's kind of like the first touristy thing that we're doing. Oh wow. But tomorrow we've got a big trip, so we'll talk about tomorrow later. And yeah, we're just going to wander around Invercargill, probably get some food later, and just have a chilled night at our Airbnb. Our host Gemma, she's lovely. She's got really welcoming home, clean, tidy. Found it on Airbnb, super cheap. Can't go wrong when you're travelling, I guess. And yeah, so let's see where this little path, I feel like, is that a lighthouse? Must be. So look at this beach. Wow, look at that. How cute. Very nice. We've wandered over to here. That is a lighthouse, yeah. It's just a stocky one, not very tall and slim. It's short and fat, like me. Oh, it's really cute. Oh, let's go have a little look. Tsunami has, oh Jesus. Yep. Listen out for the sigh. It's don't they blow like those weird horn sounds? Oh, I'm not very good with English today. Oh, this is really cute. Let's have a look. Oh wow. Follow James. This is adorable. Oh, the sun's coming out now. Beautiful little lighthouse. Ooh, rocky. What does that say? Stirling Point Pilot Station. Very nice. Come down to the little beach. It's quite a nice little cove. It's tiny. And the rain's coming. Lovely. Yeah, very nice. But that water's fresh. Cold. Nice. Cold. I'm cold now.
Oh, it's starting to rain again.
Yeah. Alright, we'll head back to the car. Should we go to the museum?
Sure.
There's a little cafe there as well. We can get a little hot drink, a little baked good, and have a wander around all the vintage bikes and all sorts. Oh, go walk up this little hill now. We've come to the motorbike museum. Very calm and quiet in here, and we're in the, what's his name? John Britton section, and they've got really nice setup here. There's a mural of this bike in Christchurch. It's really pretty. It's really nice, like pink and blue. Early life from Christchurch. And then some of his bikes and uniforms. Very cool. Look at his suit. How battered it is. This one. Very cool. It's like being at Motorcycle Live. Is that what it's called? The one in Birmingham normally?
What?
Motorcycle Live.
Yeah.
We're in the main sort of room. There's 3 floors. We're sort of in the middle one at the minute. So we've got to go downstairs and then upstairs. But this room's filled with stuff. All these vintage bikes. Look at this one. And we've got a Royal Enfield. I think James is very happy. I really like this one. This is my cup of tea. Little Vespa with a sidecar. How cute is that? That's a Hara one. Yeah, definitely. 1970. Wow. Came to Nelson, New Zealand in 2009. So cool. Look at this one over here. This one's so different. 1916. Thor model. Aurora, Illinois. Is that right? Wow, look at these old ones. Look at this. 1913. Look how far back the seat is to the handlebars. Isn't it? It's different.
And like your feet go underneath there.
It's so cool. Henderson. It's a very strange wheel.
For like sand or snow.
Oh, okay.
Or like dirt to like.
Yeah. Oh, look at that Harley. Oh, okay.
Tax disc.
Oh my god, we haven't seen.
From 2009.
Oh wow! Do you remember when our cars used to have them?
Cost nil. 'Cause it's a
It
historical
was
vehicle.
free. Oh my god. And Norton.
It's still being ridden.
They're so cool. Yeah, because Motorcycle Live is all
New.
like new stuff, and we've done a few. We've been to a couple of them, haven't we?
Yeah.
In Birmingham. We went with your dad one year as well. Oh, it's a cool
A lot of these
place.
are all British bikes.
Very nice. Not supposed to touch.
Not to touch.
Ah, I want a picture next to this. 1902
It's a
Persia.
bicycle with an engine. Essentially.
Oh wow. How some of these have like stayed so
It's this one.
nice still. Look at these like really old ones. Like look at this. 1918. How cool is that? Motor. So cool. I like the Indians. I always said if I ever got into it, Indian, they're so cool. They're so cool. Do you get it? Super bikes. They're nice, aren't they? Look at these.
It was being ridden in 2016.
It looks pretty new. Like, well, newish. Do you know what I mean? Like, compared to everything else in here.
Early 90s.
Very cool. Cool. What's up there? Wiz Custom 1948.
Motorbike.
Oh my god, yeah, it is. Oh, I didn't even see that. Okay, we've come down to the basement. Got a very sparkly Suzuki. They're so much like bigger compared to like the bikes that you've had, like the old.
Yeah.
Like they're so much more longer. Oh wow, it's really big down here. Very cool. Oh wow, there's like some racing things. Look at these. Oh, I think I've seen these in movies before.
Like, this is the door. You'd open that
Yeah.
and it comes out. That's how you get in.
That's so funny.
It's a little like 3-wheel.
From the 60s. Look how big that is. Like,
Yeah, it's a gold one. Gold
Jeez.
ones are always big. We'll have big radio with big speakers. And yeah, like all down here.
That's cool.
Everything. They've always
Little racing. Oh, look at the orange one. I like orange. This is George Begg and all his racing history. This is all his area. I think that's what I understood. Might have got that wrong. Could they? Well, no, actually, because some of these are quite old. Scrap that. I don't think I'm correct. Pardon? Vauxhall.
Tim, remember me?
Oh, that does say Begg on it. Yeah. Is this all his stuff?
I guess what he's racing.
Wow.
I know him.
Lots of sidecars in this room. German ones. Over here. Oh, that one's funny. These are British, these ones, from 1903 and 1912. Wow. And this one, 1913. God, that one looks like a bathtub. Cylon? How do you say this one? 1914. I don't know how to say that, but it looks like a bathtub.
Where was it made?
It says it's British.
Yeah, it's Northamptonshire.
Northamptonshire. And look at this one looks good. Oh my god, it's got a tax disc. And it's a British one as well. Matchless, 1922.
Yeah, 2008.
Wow.
It's tax free silk. Singapore.
Look at this. Oh wow. Oh god, this one looks a bit like a coffin. I don't know if I like this one.
Probably enough people sitting there.
No, it's like grocery shopping. Oh, they're so cool. And then look at that one. 1905 Invicta Tricar. So it's like someone sits at the front, someone sits at the back. That's so cool. We're on the top floor now. We've come across Vincent bikes. Yeah. This little section's not working. It's like all interactive. You're supposed to sit on it and give it a rev and get a feel for different like engines. What are these ones? Velocity? So many beautiful bikes. Such a collection. It's a pretty good museum, I think. You see lots. Wow. Farm jams. Augusta. Oh, MV. Oh, we've got another little section up here. Let's go have a look. God, it's massive. This is the top floor. What's that? Indian. Oh, look at the orange Yamaha. What is that? Oh, cool. Go on, the women. That one's nice. And that yellow Norton. Yeah. Go on, what did I spot over here then? Oh, I think you're supposed to, it's like a picture thing. We'll do it. We'll do it. And what's in here? Little workshop.
Here's that Burt Munro. Here's the
Burt Munro memorabilia. And who's he? Is he the one from the movie?
Yeah, he's the one that did the land speed record.
Okay, alright.
Shells at the end.
Okay. Go on then, James, you can stand there.
You have to get on it after me.
Oh my god, why? Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on, wait, I gotta take a picture. Wait, hold on. Look like you're racing and look at me. Wait. And race. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Alligator. Do you put your leg in that bit?
Yeah.
Come on. No, joking.
Good job.
Oh, that's uncomfortable, man. We've got all these like toy models and things on display. I'm going to have a little look. Oh, I see some Vespers. This is very cool. Cool little biker chick woman. Oh, I like the yellow. They're so cute. How in the 60s? Ford? What's a Triumph? Oh, it's not a Vespa, it's a Triumph. Look at this one. Ducati. From 48. They're so cool. Vintage little mopeds. Triumph. Maybe they're not Vespers then. No. Oh. Very cool. Such a cool little museum. I think it was worth the $40 each. There's loads in here. If you like motorbikes, yeah. For 3 floors and like you're in here for probably about an hour or so. Probably in here a lot longer. You can take photos, you can take videos. It's quite nice. Look at all these little toys, look. Posters. All these little I was about to say toy cars then, no, toy bikes. Oh, it's such a cool little spot. We've got burgers again. You've got like what? A chicken, pineapple, bacon burger, and I've just got like a classic and a cheeseburger with like pickles and things. Yum. They're seriously good chocolate.
Like strawberry inside?
You'd like a strawberry one? James has got a flat white. I've gone for your typical hot chocolate. Put that there. Try it.
No, it's alright.
Oh, that's nice. It's chocolate. You want to try it?
It's a good hot chocolate.
Not bad.
No, pretty good. Almost seriously good.
It's definitely cold, windy. We drove up this road a minute ago and you literally just end up on the sand. So we were like, yeah, let's turn around. Don't want to get the car stuck. So we just parked and walked up. But you can drive on here, so I guess if you've got a 4x4 that'd be really cool. I'm not sure the pronunciation, or Oreti Beach. I may have pronounced that wrong. But She is windy today and those waves look awful. So I wouldn't want to be out there, but still we'll go have a little wander. It's cold. Well, that was cold, wasn't it?
It's a bit chilly.
It's a bit fresh, but that would have been really cool if you have like a proper 4x4 and like you can drive, like there's rules for driving on the sand, so like
We could have driven on a bit of it.
yeah, but like if we had a Jimny, because we love those cars, we want one of those cars, that would have been really fun, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, bit nippy. So it's what, 3:30. I think we're just gonna head to a supermarket and get a few things for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going on a Milford Sound cruise coach exploration thing for like 8 hours, and we got to set off early. We're gonna, like, we get lunch on the cruise, like we get like a picnic thing, I think, like probably sandwiches, but because we've got such an early start, we're gonna sort of make a packed lunch to take with us, especially we've got a 2-hour drive from ourselves, then we've got like a 2-3 hour coach drive, then we've got the cruise, and then we've got to coach drive it back. So I think we just need some food packed in our bags, otherwise I'm gonna feel sick because I get a bit car sick and I need something in my stomach, and I think we both should. It'll keep us warm as well because it's definitely nippy now. It's getting cold. I mean, it's 11 degrees. So we're going to go make a little packed lunch, but we're going to go to the shop and get what we need, and then we'll head back to our Airbnb and just chill out. We've got an early morning, so we'll sort of like get ready this evening, have showers and all that malarkey, and then on the road again tomorrow. So if you don't see us, you'll see us in the morning, because we might have a nap later. Maybe, yeah. So I hope you've enjoyed today with all our little motorcycle bits.